To create a video in Vids, you can describe your idea in a sentence or two, and Gemini will create a draft. Or start with a template, record yourself or your screen, or upload your own media. For this demo, we'll insert a scene from a template. We'll change the colors and fonts to match our brand. And we'll change the placeholder text to match the goal of our video, welcoming new employees. Next, we'll add a couple more scenes from the template and customize them. And we'll replace template content with information about our company's products. We can replace the template graphics with our own media, images from the stock media library, or content generated by Gemini. We can even add background music and narration right from Vids. We can add video clips too. As an example, we'll insert and play the scenes we just created.